Ngiboleka indlebe ngiqoqele ngesami isithandwa. Hayi baqinisile nabathi ithandwa liboni kahle ngibahlephulela abangazi. Sithandwa sami isihlungu sakhe sifuthumele. Amalakhe mthoba hliziyo. Amehlo akhe kuphika konke lokho. Akasimuhlu uyahlola. Mazinyo akhe zinkwekwezi ngemlonyeni. Lizi lakhe lichire imithambo yehliziyo. La kimi khangithi uzokuhlala hlezi. Kodwana njengobutsha bami naye wasuke wakhamba. Kanti mina ngenzeni? I thought I was enough. I held you down whenever I had to. Was there when you needed me to be. I was strong when you needed me. I was weak when you wanted me to be. Kanti mina ngenzeni? Bengikuthanda ukudlula yami impilo. Bengingazi bona you the serpent in the Garden of Eden. Remember we used to talk about the future. You said you wanted a big house, 2 kids and a desk job. I wonder if you still want the same things, cause baby I can still give them to you. Or am I just naive? I should have known that such fiction was too slippery that one day it would cut. Now I'm here paging my sorrows and all I know is paper cuts. And I've got hemophilia. Uyakhumbula nalisavutha. Or should I say now salibasela. Bawuhlezi ungithinte emtatweni. Lizi lakho layithambisa yami imizwa. Bondrazana bami ngakuzwisa. Bengazi bona nguwoza ngwisa. Kanti wena usuthi na bangake kumele bakuphakele ukuze wazi ukuthi one is enough. Brother, you have one mouth. Why isn't that enough? Bowuthenga uphindile uyaqina. But I should have seen through your lies ngoba uphindile nakukuthemba ngiyaqina. Kulungile sithandwa kweyami ingqondo ugijimile. Khuthala. Kungcono ngikhulule ngiyakhala. Khona ngisakuthandwa kodwa lokho akuthi ukuthi kuyokuhlezi kunjalo. Namhlanje kusazibuza sithandwa, liphi izulu nomhlaba, mezwi wakho asangihlaba, wena zange wangithanda, wena bozibonela nje amaqatha. Ngubani usazangithanda? Hliziyo yami liratha ngenxa yawo amala. Sithandwa ngiyakusaba, namhlanje ithando ngiyalizila. Nakunguwe ngiyakuziba, sithandwa sami usisitha, zandla zakho khangithi ubuhlungu bami ziyabusitha. I don't even hate you, I just hate myself for falling for you. I get it. I was never what you were looking for. Kulungile sithandwa khamba. Uzozithola zakho inranga. Nakuyinratha nami ngizayifumana. Mhlawumbe usesekhona osazangithanda. Ngibazwela ubuhlungu abachidelene nawe. My darlings, his lies are poetic. Be careful, he's an artist. Usesemuhle namhlanje. But don't let that fool you. Even the devil was an angel. Ngiloleli Izulu nomhlaba.